Hey, are you ready to learn about the top 10 strategies for investing in real estate without breaking the bank or having tons of experience? I thought so. Let's get started. First of all, investing in real estate is all about making a profit, whether through rental income or market value appreciation. And if you're worried about not having any cash to start with, don't freak out. While there's no such thing as no money down in real estate, you can still invest with little to no money of your own. How? By learning how to leverage other people's money, my friend. Now, keep in mind that you may still need some dough for a down payment if you're financing your real estate through conventional loans. And let's be real, real estate isn't the most liquid investment out there. But with some smarts and know-how, it can definitely pay off in the long run. In fact, some of the most successful real estate investors out there have mastered the art of investing with no money of their own. And if you're a newbie or don't have great credit or finances, investing in real estate with no money down can be a great way to dip your toes in the water. Experienced investors know that using other people's money can free up their cash for other investment opportunities. So it's a win-win situation. Investing in real estate can lead to the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. And if you're wondering where to start or how to get the cash to buy a property, we've got you covered. So here are some of the top 10 strategies for investing in real estate with little to no money. Number 10, seller financing. Seller financing is a great way to invest in real estate with no money down. When traditional financial institutions won't give you a loan, you can turn to the seller of the property for financing. Instead of paying the full purchase price up front, you make payments to the seller over an agreed upon period of time. It's like buying a car on layaway, but with a house. Number 9, investing in real estate through lease option. A lease option is a creative way to invest in real estate without a lot of cash on hand. Basically, you rent a property with the option to buy it at a later date. A portion of your rent goes towards the purchase price, so you're slowly building equity while you rent. It's a win-win situation for both you and the property owner. Number 8, hard money lenders. Hard money lenders are private individuals or groups who loan money to real estate investors. These loans are usually short-term and come with high interest rates and fees, but they're also a lot more flexible than traditional bank loans. You can often get approved for a hard money loan even if you have a low credit score or no credit history. Number 7, microloans. Microloans are small loans that are perfect for new real estate investors. They're often offered by non-profit organizations and community lenders. Microloans can be used for a variety of purposes, including purchasing property, renovating a property, or paying for closing costs. Number 6, partnership. Forming a partnership with someone else is a great way to invest in real estate when you don't have a lot of money. Basically, you and your partner split the costs and the profits of the investment. It's important to have a solid partnership agreement in place to avoid any misunderstandings or disputes down the road. Number 5, home equity loans. Home equity loans allow you to borrow money against the equity you have in your primary residence. There are two main types of home equity loans: a home equity line of credit, HELOC, and a home equity loan. With a HELOC, you can borrow money as you need it, up to a certain limit. With a home equity loan, you receive a lump sum of money up front. Both types of loans use your home as collateral, so it's important to make sure that you can make the payments before you apply. Number 4, trading houses. Trading houses is a way to acquire new property and avoid capital gains. Other ways to buy investment property with no money down include various approaches discussed above. Number 3, USDA loans. USDA loans offer zero down payment mortgages for rural and suburban homebuyers with low or moderate incomes. Loans are available for towns with populations of 10,000 or less. Number 2, SBA loans. SBA loans, specifically the SBA 504 loan, are available for small businesses looking to purchase commercial real estate. The loan requires a 10% down payment and funding amounts range from $125,000 to $20 million. Number 1, shares of real estate investment trusts. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, offers liquidity and diversification benefits. REITs take a portion of profits for administrative overhead, but real estate mutual funds and ETFs offer additional diversification options with lower returns and less risk. No direct investment or management of real estate is required. Investing in real estate is a tried and true way of building wealth, so forget about those cheesy infomercials promising free houses from the government. Let's get smart about our investments and make some real money moves.